my instincts tell me you don't want this song to ever end. My knees, my song is almost done. Can't believe you when I say I've had a lot of fun. On the ground here in my enduring style. Oh Jesus, see you falling for this Hula Tease. I'm gonna tease you and please you when I sing my song, and then I'll tease you and I'll please you when I hula along. The beach in Waikiki is where you wanna be, where my hips they do the dips under the moon. My hula hands will tell you stories that you'll never hear. My sweet aloha will obliterate your everything. And in my teeny skirt, it won't be hard to flirt when I romance you, when I'm dancing to my song. I lash my lashes when I see you look behind. I turn around but I don't need to walk away. Then over my shoulder I wink, and my instincts tell me you don't want this song to ever end. Never end. My knees, my song is almost done. I believe you when I say I've had a lot of fun. Honey down the aisle in my enduring style. Birds and bees, you're my main squeeze. And Jesus, see you falling for this Hula Tease. Oh yeah. Thank you, Shelley. Shelley's our daughter. And to tell you the truth, I really don't yell at my kids. I don't give them licking. When they were really small, maybe I did. When Shelley was about 2.5, I can't remember what she did, but I remember giving her one big putty right on her uha, right here, boom! And this is the look she gave me. She didn't cry. The bottom lip didn't even shiver a little. And that's when I realized, okay, that's not gonna work. It worked for me, I'm just saying. But, right, it worked for all of us, right? Girl, it worked for all of us, okay? But it wasn't gonna work for Shelley and her older brother. And so, I talk a lot to my kids, and I drive them crazy. Like, I sit them down and I talk to them for like an hour. I'm not even joking. And then, of course, you have to pull out the mommy guilt trip, right? And oh, I just don't know why you do this. What did I ever do to deserve this? I'm like the best mommy in the whole wide world. I take you to McDonald's, I buy you McFlurries, no, for real, and it works. Totally. Okay, sorry, I'm just talking. This is my husband, Iolani. And yes, I am very, very grateful for KCCN and FM 100 because how did I meet this man? I called the DJ on the radio. Stalker. I called the DJ and 9 months later, we were married. Hey!
But she was in Hawaii.
I was. But 2 weeks later, I was. Sorry, Shelley, close your ears. Well, we knew that all the faculties worked. Hey, okay? I didn't know that's how Lena and Sam met. Okay, so I did call the radio station and talk to the DJ, who I didn't know was this handsome dude. But when we finally met in person, was it like 3 weeks later? Then I was like, holy smokes. Because, ladies, girls, teenagers, I made a list. When I was a teenager, when I was like 15, 16 years old, I made a list of all the things I wanted my husband to be. It was a very short list, just 3 things. Work with me here now. I wanted him to be taller. I wanted him to be heavier. You're gonna love this one. He needed to have bigger thighs. I'm just saying. Everything else I got was bonus points. He's gonna take you to the island of Molokai now.